Hi, I'm Rob Parent. This is Steve Hanley, and today we're going to show you how to get started in Python using Anaconda. So, here we go.
Rob's finding Anaconda. I'll explain quickly the difference between Anaconda and Python. The community of Python engineers seem to like snakes, so that's one reason why Anaconda is named as it is. But Anaconda wraps around Python, it's called a Python distribution. So it includes the Python main application that compiles the code, executes them. It also includes a various number of packages or libraries, and then some different environments to write and execute your Python code, but in one convenient download.
Yeah, makes things a lot easier to get started. Uh, all I did was Google Anaconda, clicked on the first link. It should know what computer you're using. Download from there, and it should be opening up now. So, go through the process here. Nothing too complicated. Just kind of going through. And this might take a little bit, so we're going to pause it and join you again in a second. Okay, we're back. So we just finished the installation. Click through the last steps here. And now, let's see what we're doing. Okay. It's going to open some stuff up. We do not need any of this. Okay. We don't need any of that. We're going to open up Anaconda here. And it's going to take a little longer to open the first time. Be patient with it. So I don't know if we mentioned before, this is part of a larger series where I'll show you how to get started in Jupyter Notebooks as well as Spider, which you'll access both of them through Anaconda. So I think that should be open here. There we go. And we'll keep it as a smaller window. So Jupyter Notebook is here. Spider is right there.
And just to explain to people, right, Jupyter and Spider and others are where you may be writing your code and kind of seeing the output. Remember, Anaconda is like wraps around a couple of things at once, including all the libraries. One of the benefits of Python is all the open source libraries, one of which is from enDAQ. Right now, we're going to try to install that library.
That's right. So we'll launch the command prompt here. All right. So one of the benefits of Python is that there's a lot of resources online how to use it. So to show which libraries Anaconda has already installed and what versions they are, we're going to try a prompt that we gathered from Stack Overflow, which is an awesome reference. We'll go like this. See if this works. Okay, that was pretty quick.
After our camera.
Camera not available.
Go to the other tab. We lost the camera. Oh, we're back.
We're back. Okay.
All right. So all these are the libraries that were installed when you installed Anaconda. So that's kind of, again, one of the benefits of Anaconda. You get Python with a bunch of libraries, with also those environments to write, execute your code in.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of these are, they're popular. That's why they're included in Anaconda. Let's just take a look at some of them that we may update. What is Pandas?
Pandas is right here. Pandas is 1.4.2.
And what's Plotly? 5.6. All right.
Yep. Okay.
All right. So now we're going to install the enDAQ library.
Oops. Okay. Okay. Now run this. Oh, there we go. Run the same command again, and we'll see what has been updated. So pandas still the same. Plotly is still the same.
Oh, yes.
So looks like they were already updated.
And is enDAQ in there now?
Yes, yeah, that's right. We should check that. So enDAQ is also in here. At least it should be. There we go.
Before. Nice.
Yeah.
And now your rages are writing some Python code and using all those libraries pre-installed, and we will start doing that in the next video, right?
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.
Good luck.